To set timing icon shape in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer option screen, find icon shape, and then on timing, select icon shape, and then select option you want: default square, teardrop, square circle, square, rounded rectangle. Teardrop, square, or rounded rectangle, or default. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.